Howdy guys, Cub here. Welcome back to Minecraft 1.13. This is Snapshot 17w46a. And in this week's Snapshot, guys, they've changed quite a few things. First of all, after the community revolted last week, after the new horse model was revealed, Mojang went back and changed quite a few things, namely the horse face. And I still think the necks on the babies are too long, but the face is definitely a lot better. Look at that. Yeah, that's much better than it was, for sure. So I think overall the horse model is much improved. They also made a few minor tweaks here and there. But yeah, definitely looking a lot better than it did last week, for sure. No doubt about that. Also new this week, there's been major changes to the command UI. So if you guys remember last week, we had a command UI that whenever you type slash, a whole huge array of commands would show up in the window in front of me. However, that's not the case this week. Now we can type in something like this. Let's just say we want to do game rule. Let's say do daylight cycle. And you can see if I hit tab here, the tab complete now pulls up a much smaller, much more reasonable menu that you can then cycle through. So let's do weather cycle, and then the value. If I hit tab again, it pulls up the value menu. So I can set it to true or false. I'm just going to set it to false. And there we go. Now set to false. Also, an interesting thing is, if I said, let's say do slash game rule zebra, immediately after I type Z, you'll see that it shows unknown command. So that way you can tell if you're on the right track with your commands. So that is also a useful feature. There's also a new exciting command this week, and that is the slash datapack command. So if I go ahead and type in slash datapack here, these are the datapacks that I talked about in the previous couple of snapshot videos, where you can change recipes, and you can also add functions, you can add structures, you can add loot tables, you can add advancements, things like that. So if I type slash datapack and hit tab, you can see, again, another nice menu comes up, and we can either disable some datapacks if we have some enabled, we can enable datapacks, or we can list datapacks. Let's just list our datapacks. We have just the vanilla datapack available right now. But let's go in, and I want to show you guys. So right now we have the vanilla pack enabled. So if I go into game mode, let's go spectator, and we want to do myself. There we go. I think there is a chest, or a cave down here, and there should be a dungeon nearby somewhere. Yeah, it looks like there's a dungeon right down here with some chests in it. So with the vanilla resource data pack enabled, if I now go into, let's see if I can go into creative and look in these chests, you'll see there's loot in the chest, right? Loot in there. Let's now go back into spectator mode, and we are going to disable the loot pack. So, or not the loot pack, the data pack. So if I go ahead and go to disable the vanilla pack, so now we have the vanilla data pack disabled. So now if I look in any chest, let's say like this loot chest here, this minecart, if I go ahead and go into creative, nothing. So that is what data packs allow you to do. They allow you to change the loot in the chests and dungeons and the mine shafts and stuff like that, as well as, like I said, add functions, add recipes, add structures, and other things like that. So that's pretty exciting. If I go ahead and now re-enable it, let's just go ahead and re-enable it. Enable vanilla. Now we should see, yep, loot is now back in the chests. So that is how the slash data pack command works, and you can also prioritize certain packs if you have other data packs enabled or multiple data packs enabled. So that is also another function that you have available. So in order to prioritize data packs, all you have to do is do the slash data pack command. So slash data pack, and then you want to enable the data packs. Let's say we wanted to enable vanilla last, so all the other data packs would come first. We'd type slash vanilla pack, and then whatever your pack name is would go right here. So that's how you would do that. And of course there are other options, including after, before, and first. There were also a lot of important bug fixes this week, including the rotation component of the slash teleport command being fixed, which a lot of players will be very happy about. But guys, that is going to be it for me from Snapshot 17w46a. As always, please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Cub. Goodbye.